In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram link to your Shopify website. By the end of this tutorial, your store visitors will be able to click directly from your site to your Instagram profile, which is great for building trust, showcasing your products, and growing your audience. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin the way you normally do. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you manage everything in your store, from products to orders to your online storefront. In that left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where you control how your website looks and feels. When you click Online Store, it will expand and show you options such as themes, blog posts, pages, and more. Under Online Store, you should see your current theme at the top. This is the design your customers see when they visit your site. Next to your active theme, there will be a button that says Customize or something similar. Click on this to open the theme editor, where you can change layout, colors, and settings. Once the theme editor is open, look at the left-hand column. At the very bottom or near the bottom, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the theme settings. Click that gear icon. This will open up a panel with settings that apply to your whole store, such as typography, colors, and social links. In the settings panel, find and click on the option called Social Media. This is where Shopify lets you connect your store to your social profiles. You'll see different fields for various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now, look for the field labeled Instagram URL or Instagram link. In that box, type your full Instagram profile link. For example, it will look something like https://www.instagram.com, your username. Make sure you include the full URL and double check that your username is spelled correctly, because any typos will send customers to the wrong page or to an error. After you've entered your Instagram URL, the final step is to save your changes. In the top right corner of the editor, click the Save button. Wait a moment for Shopify to finish saving. Once it's saved, you can preview your store and scroll to your header or footer, wherever your social icons are displayed. Your Instagram icon should now be active and clickable, taking visitors straight to your Instagram profile.